Easy masala dosa recipe with no rice, no fermentation, and no eno used in this high protein breakfast recipe with instant coconut chutney. So, welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. If you're new to my channel, please turn on those notification bell for the future video updates. To make this moong masala dosa, we are going to take half cup of moong dal, which is a yellow split moong dal, and we are going to wash few times with water so to remove impurities and then soak it for 4 hours or overnight depending what time you're going to make this. And you can see that it has doubled in the volume. Now we are going to grind it in my Secura coffee grinder, which is very versatile. You can use for dry and wet grinding, and you can watch the full review in and I have link in the description box. So our paste is ready. It's like a coarse paste, not very fine, and it's already very frothy, no fermentation needed. So I'm going to add salt and green chili and ginger paste to season, and we're going to add some turmeric powder and pinch of asafoetida, which is hing. So our batter is ready. We are going to let it rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the stuffing. And for the stuffing, I'm going to heat 2 teaspoons of oil. When oil is hot, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, along with urad dal, about half a tablespoon, and pinch of asafoetida or hing, and spice it up with some chopped green chilies and turmeric powder for that beautiful yellow hue. Now I'm going to saute this for about a few seconds, and then I'm going to add finely chopped onion. This is optional, but it adds lots of flavor. If you like it, you can add or you can skip it. Now I'm going to add boiled and mashed potato. So this is about 1 cup of potato, and then add salt to taste. And I'm adding Sambhar Masala. I have also uploaded the Sambhar Masala recipe, so you can check that out in the description box. Now our stuffing is ready. Let's switch off the flame and garnish with the fresh coriander and some lime juice. Now mix it very well, and our stuffing is ready. Now let's prepare the coconut chutney. This is the instant version. So for the coconut chutney, we are going to take 1/4 cup of dalia, and then 1/4 cup and plus 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. And with that, we're going to add green chili and ginger and fresh coriander. This is optional, but it gives a nice color, so I like to add it. Now 2 tablespoons of yogurt and salt to taste. Now I'm going to grind everything using again my Secura grinder, and it very well mixed. You can see it has a coarse paste like this. So I'm going to add some water to adjust the consistency. You can add more or less. So now I have grinded it well, and you can see it's beautiful color, light green color. This is what I like, and the texture is amazing. So now I'm going to take it out in a bowl, and then we are going to temper it. For tempering, I heated oil about 2 teaspoons. Now added mustard seed, cumin seed, urad dal, dried red chilies, and some fresh coriander and hing. You can add curry leaves if you have. I don't have it, so I'm not adding it. And then add it to your chutney. So flavorful, delicious chutney is ready. Now let's move on. Our batter is also ready. It's well rested, and you can already see it's very well fermented. Looks like you don't need any time in fermentation. So let's make the dosa. So I'm going to add oil to the griddle pan here, and I'm going to wipe it off. We just want to condition the pan with oil. We don't want to add lot of oil. This way it is easier to spread the batter, and it will come up very crispy. So now pour the batter and just in a circular motion spread it, and try it with a flat base ladle, or you can use stainless steel katori, and spread it evenly like this so that it's a nice thin layer. Now I'm going to drizzle some oil so that it gets nice and crispy. Now let's add the stuffing in the center just like so. And then I'm going to sprinkle some Sambhar Masala to add more flavor to it. And then a little bit of butter. You can skip it if you want, but it gives a really nice flavor. So we're going to let it cook for on a low flame until it's nice and crispy, and you can see that it's coming up so nice. So our moong dal masala dosa is ready, and you can serve with the coconut chutney. So I hope you find the video useful, and if you did, please make sure to like, share, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so yet. So how you like this recipe, please comment in the comment box below, and I'll see you next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.